G'day team, I'm Cameron Bullen from Whitestone Contracting. I'm the Executive Manager for the Maintenance division of our business, based up here in Oamaru. Through the previous roles I've had the pleasure of dealing with Sweeptech, had various machines through them, and with this new role we had the opportunity to set up a new street sweeper, and had the pleasure of dealing with Sweeptech once again with this machine. So some of the feedback we've had on the machine is just how easy it is to use compared to previous machines. Just some of the small features like adjusting the side arm and the positioning of that, to turn the auxiliary motor revs up and down, it's all at your fingertips. It's really easy to use, it's really intuitive, and it just does a good job. So yeah, the feedback's been great. We've got 2 or 3 operators trained up on it, and they absolutely love the features of it. Some of the things on this machine that we really like compared to the old machine is particularly some of the safety features. The 360-degree camera gives it good visibility, the visibility of the mirrors, and also the noise of the machine, the noise level, which is a lot quieter than the old machine, which gives the operator more comfort. So with the tilt on the side brush, that's really helped us as a business to be more efficient for our clients. So with the slot crossings previously, they had to be done manually, and the only way to adjust the broom was manually, and it was time consuming, which had someone on the side of the street, and had the exposure of cars and pedestrians and all the other risks we have on the road. So to be able to adjust it with the push of a button and tilt it right up to clean the slot drain and then back to its normal operating angle as you drive down the road has increased our efficiencies, and it's increased the quality of what we're doing out there on the district, which enables the drainage network to act as it should. Having the auto greaser on the machine has made it easy to care for maintenance. Self greasers, this machine's got a lot of moving parts and a lot of things going on, so to have the comfort and peace of mind that it's getting greased appropriately has made a big difference to the comfort we have when the machine's getting well maintained. So one of the other features that's made a big difference is the high pressure water jetters on it. So having the high pressure spray bar on the front has made a big difference to being able to power clean surfaces that have got hard to move debris on them, and having the high pressure water blaster that's on the side brush as well is a fantastic feature. One of the other great features we've found about this truck is having the ability to hydro excavate. Having the high pressure water blaster on it gives it the ability that we can hydro excavate for close cables, for things that are delicate, which seems to be an increasing requirement from our utility operators. So being able to use this machine not just to keep our town clean, but also having the versatility to get out and do hydrovacs in the hours where it's not street sweeping has been really good for our business, and it's something that just adds another machine into our fleet that is able to do that. So it's a great feature of the machine, and great initiative from Sweeptech. So anyone looking for one of these machines or for something extra to keep your towns tidy, I'd recommend using Sweeptech. They deliver a fantastic service. The follow-up from Sweeptech has been exceptional, and when we've ever had issues or repairs needed, they've only been too happy to help. And even though I guess when we're looking at the machine and Sweeptech being based a number of hours away from here, it was always a factor about the service we get. We had confidence in previous dealings with Sweeptech that any issues will be dealt with, and they have continued to deliver that exceptional service.
Hi, my name's Shane. I work for Whitestone Contracting here in Oamaru, and I've been a driver operator on these sweeper trucks for nearly 11 years. Some of the safety features compared with the older sweepers that are on, these ones are much more advanced. They've got the dust spray bar on the front. They've also got the power wash bar on the front, along with other additional power spray bars in the back. Another good feature that's been brilliant is Sweeptech have added this tilt motor onto the brush, which is great for getting into your crossings, especially some of your narrow deep crossings. You can tilt the brush right over and it gets all the debris, etc. and everything out. One of the other good safety features are these infrared type lights, particularly at night time in the dark. It'll show a orange-yellow safety line on the side of the road, which I've seen cyclists see that and actually go further around the truck. Another great advantage with the Sweeptech trucks, the later one, we've got a control box here at the rear of the vehicle. You can start and shut off the auxiliary engine. It's also got your rev here, so you can bring your revs up if you're hydrovaxing or sucking out a tank. And you can also operate your water blaster or hydrovax gun at the back here as well. So one of the reasons I'd recommend Sweeptech, as I'll say, this is my 4th truck through Sweeptech, and the after sales support and after service has been absolutely fantastic. Any niggly little problems I've had with the truck, I've just rung Darren and he's pointed them in the right direction, and we've got it sorted straight away. Also, obviously our mechanics, this is all new to them as well, and Sweeptech have sent Darren down and trained them and done the first service and anything that needed doing to the truck. Darren's guided the staff here through it as well. Pretty much I could ring Sweeptech any time, day or night, and someone will answer and give me an answer to what I'm seeking. Also Nathan rings up quite a bit. He's quite good with his follow-ups and keeps in touch with you all year round, basically, just to see how things are going. If we've had any problems, if there's anything that we can better with the trucks. So yeah, the support from Sweeptech has been marvellous. Highly recommend.